morning, guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we have Chemo coming to do some measurements for the curtains that we want in the living room and to check some of the bedrooms as well. So I'm just waiting for them to come over and we can see what's going to happen, because I'm still undecided whether it should be curtains or blinds, because it is a kitchen area. I just feel like if it's curtains, it's going to soak up the smell of the kitchen. So I'm not sure. So anyway, it'll be interesting to hear what he has to say as well. Hearing it from the expert, right? So let's see. Venetian blinds. Do you have something that's like, I don't know, a little softer than that?
We could do the
rollable one.
The roller, the sunscreen. Yeah.
Are they quite nice? Oh, is that the one?
Correct.
The plain sheets what allows you to see through.
Right.
Yeah, so you can control how much light comes. It actually reduces the light and the heat that comes in. The glare, yeah, so you can actually see through.
Right, but you can push it up.
Yeah, you can roll up and down.
Oh, yeah.
It's a roller.
You need it.
It's a roller one,
yes.
Okay.
And it's easy to clean, easy to maintain.
Right.
But what about that smells and for the kitchens and all that?
And that's why you're using that one, because it's PVC coated, so you don't have the smell in it.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't absorb the smell.
It doesn't absorb the smell, wow.
The brackets for the blind going that way.
Yeah.
And then you have this one also coming that way. So where they meet, it means that they can't meet at an angle. So there's always that gap.
Oh, there would be a gap in the middle.
Yes, in the middle.
How big would the gap be?
It's about 8 cm.
8 cm, that's big, man.
Yes, 8 to 10 cm.
What do you mean? So with the plastic, with the blind that covers it, there'll be a gap in between it of 8 cm.
Yes. Because now this takes one level, and that takes another, in order to be able to close the gap.
Right. So they would be uneven up there.
Yeah.
It'll look uneven up the top.
Yeah, because one will be higher than the other.
So you can have the fabric just rolling behind it, so it can sit. So we can cover that gap.
How much is that anyway, the one that rolls?
Price ranges from 280 cedis to 336 cedis per square meter.
Per square meter. Wow. So you do by square meter?
Square meters, yeah.
Why are you looking scared?
No. I'm just saying. No. But I thought it would be by like a length, that's why. But he says per square meter, so that's why I'm like.
Because we custom make them, so it depends on the size you're covering.
Okay, so I've come out to come and look at this garden place that was recommended to me. So it's called Oasis Garden Centre. So I'm just going to go and see what they have. I meant to go to this place and another place today, but we'll see. If I see everything that I want, then I'll just get it from here, but I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go in and have a look. It looks like they have quite a variety of stuff, as I can see over the wall. So I'm just about to head in there. Looks good. Absolutely beautiful. They have some really nice plants and flowers. They even have seedlings here. I'm going to show you guys a little bit, because honestly this place has surpassed my expectations. When I was recommended to come here, I didn't think it was going to be as nice as this, but you can see even behind me, this is beautiful. They actually do events here as well, which is amazing, but that's a story for another day. But I'm just going to show you some of the plants around so you can have a look as well. So if you're interested in coming here for yourself, you'll be able to find this place. It's very, very easy to find. So let me take you around quickly. I love this because I love the green with the touch of colour. So these are such beautiful flowers. I'm always looking for stuff like that. I absolutely love that. So I love plants like this. I see them sometimes when I drive past people's houses and I always wonder where they get that from. But here you go. They have it here. they have that are for indoors. So they've actually kept it in like a shade thing. So this is kind of like what I'm looking for. So I want something like this that is potted, that can just be easy to look after. So because me, I'm not really that much of a plant person. I like the way they look, but in terms of maintenance, I'm not really that person for maintenance.
Yeah, you leave that for me.
Yeah, I'll leave that for Kwame.
Correct.
You see. So I want something very low maintenance. So I've been told that these are very low maintenance. You only have to water them once in a while. But I really like these. I like how they're very green, and I like how healthy the petals or the leaves. What do you call it? Leaves, eh?
Yeah,
Why are you leaving me hanging like that?
I'm not there. I'm just. I like the entertainment. Yeah, they're called leaves there, not
They've got
petals.
leaves. They seem very healthy compared to some of the other ones that we've seen. These ones look really nice and healthy. Even when you feel them, you can feel like the quality of them. I'm not an expert, but these feel like really nice to me. So I'm looking for something like this. So I'm going to get a pot, and I'm going to choose one of these for them to pot nicely for me, and this will be what will go in our nice little corner. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So something that won't overgrow, but will just have a nice color and just bring it some nice warmth to the room and make the place homely, you know. So yeah, but I want to see, there's some other ones over there that I want to go take a look at. So see, things like that I really like. Small pops of color, just bring a little boom.
Even this one's nice.
Oh, the hanging basket.
Yeah.
But that's more for outside, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying the plant is nice though.
See, look, the white. Isn't this nice? Do you see what I mean?
What was it?
Sorry, my phone was vibrating in my pocket.
No, you know what it is? You know you make me laugh. You know what it is?
What?
When,
Why
you know what it is? You don't do around bushes or trees. It's a creepy corner.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
That's
I'm
what
not,
it is.
Yeah, that's what it is. So when I felt my phone vibrate in my pocket, it kind
Yeah.
of gave me a little bit of a shock. Yeah, but anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is another place where these can also be used as indoor plants. And what I like about these ones is obviously, again, I've got like the pops of colour, that's exactly what I'm looking at. So I'm kind of a bit torn, if I'm honest with you, between the big plants and having these ones. So what happens is, this can be used as an indoor plant, it's an indoor plant. But when it flowers, the flowers will grow and then they'll fall off. When they fall off, it needs to go outside in order to get the sun, the natural sun, and then it will reflower and then you can bring it in. So it needs time to rest. So it has to go outside for a bit and then you can bring it back inside. I don't mind that hustle actually, because I just like the look of
Hey, is
these.
that a hustle?
Yeah, well, it's a hustle, you know. I was trying to sound cool, you know, so I said hustle. Yes, so I like that. Even I like this as well. This is really nice for like a massive pot. Do you see? But as you rightly said, when you put it in a, because I was wondering if it would grow too big, but as you rightly said, if you put it in a pot, it will be restricted to how big it can grow. So that could also be an option. So hey guys, I am back at home now. It has been what feels like a very long day. It feels like almost 2 days in one. But anyway, so the guy came from chemo, as you saw, and he explains that it would be better for us to have a blind in the living room area rather than a curtain, as I suspected, because the curtain will hold on to smells that come out of the kitchen and things like that, so it wouldn't necessarily be the best. So we've decided to go for the blind option, the sun in, sun out. I don't remember the name of it, but anyway, we decided to have a look at that option. So he's going to cost it for me. The only thing that I'm not sure about is he said that, you may have heard it in the video already, but let me just say it again just in case. There will be an 8 to 10 centimeter gap where the two mechanisms, because the window kind of is like an L shape, so you'd have one mechanism going this way and then another going this way, and where the two butt, it would make a gap of 8 to 10 centimeters. So that was one option. So we could have it with the gap if we were happy with that. Or we could have the mechanism, which would be one on top of the other, so that then the two blinds, as they meet, it would butt together. But it means that the two mechanisms, you would see that they're not level. So one would be higher than the other, which for me might irritate me, I think, because it's just not level, it's not straight. I don't know. But what I'm going to do is we're just going to wait, let him bring the quote, and then we'll go from there and we'll decide what we can live with and what we cannot live with. I don't know. We may have to look at some other options. I'm not sure yet. But we also have now got our plants. As you've seen, we've got the pot first, and then we went back and we've got the plant. The lady there is going to pot it for us. So she's going to put all the nutrients into the soil and everything to make sure that the plant has the best chances of survival, especially for me. So I'll get that back next week or something, and then I'll be able to reveal the whole thing to you guys so you guys can see. I'm very happy with it. I absolutely love the choice that we've picked and everything. So yeah, looking forward to welcoming a new family member to the house. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, that is the end of today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button for me and the notification bell. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time I am out. Notify.